nearly 400 criminal cases in Harris County have been flagged for forensic failures, leaving a former forensic analyst from the Houston Forensic Science Center in legal trouble.
That's right. KPRC 2 Investigates broke this story last night on click2houston.com. KPRC 2's Rochelle Turner spoke to two attorneys about how this issue is going to play out in the courtroom. She's joining us live from downtown Houston. Rochelle.
Anthony, Candace, all day I've been checking our website, click2houston.com. I've been looking at some of the comments and questions from this article that you all posted. Now, I took some of those questions and comments to criminal defense attorneys Rick DeToto and Anthony Osso Jr., who are also former prosecutors, and this is what they had to say. What does this mean for some families that are seeking that justice?
Yeah, it's a nightmare for defense lawyers, and it's also a nightmare for the families that are involved in these cases that are seeking justice. It's going to cause delays.
Could this possibly help someone who is accused of a bad crime if we don't necessarily know what all evidence was being correctly processed?
Sure, Rochelle. So that's an interesting question. I don't know whether it will hurt or help. I think as a defendant and as a defense attorney, I want to make sure that whatever evidence comes in against any of my clients follows protocol and procedures, and that there's integrity behind it.
Kind of tell me what a Brady notice is.
So it looks like the allegations are that she may have switched samples, and with the line of work that we have, criminal defense lawyers, in dealing with DNA and samples regarding chemical testing, that's the worst thing that can happen. So in that situation, the prosecutors have an absolute duty to notify the defense lawyers that there is evidence in this case that may tend to show that the person is not guilty or impeachment. How
do you think judges are going to go about with this issue?
Well, I don't think there's going to be a blanket procedure. I think that each judge will independently handle it in their own manner, but I think they recognize there's already a backlog, and so they will likely allow the prosecutors time to remedy the issue, but I think there's going to be a lot of pressure from the judges on them to get it done and get it done quickly.
And I'm also working to find out more on the impact this is having on families who've been waiting for justice in their loved one's case. Now, while we don't know exactly what type of cases are being impacted, as a reporter, it is my job to keep you all informed and find solutions to your problems. So if you or someone you know is being impacted by this issue, I would love to share your story and maybe help you get some answers. You can send me an email to rturner@kprc.com. Again, you can send me an email. That's rturner@kprc.com. Reporting live from downtown Houston, I'm Rochelle Turner, KPRC 2 News.